Okay, so as you can see, this is the inspo. I am going to make cherry blossom crochet bouquet. Okay, and this is the inspo. I have to crochet a bouquet like this, but as you can see, like all the flowers are same color here, but I'm going to do a little bit extra. I'm going to follow this theme and I'm going to use these three colors. So let's get started. Bismillah. Using 3.5 mm crochet hook to make the flowers as neat as possible, so that I'm using smaller hook, although it's 4-ply yarn. And this looks so beautiful, by the way, and I just kind of want to keep it, and I just don't want to make a bouquet out of these flowers, and I don't want to send it, but that's how it goes anyway. I will make a bouquet and I will dispatch it. Okay, this is uncompleted first bunch right now. I will add some more leaves and I will add a little bit something else. I will show you guys later. It took me 1 hour to assemble this little thing right here, and I have a lot to work on yet. Oof. It's 11 p.m. and I have made these bunches, and I understand these looks really messy right now, but when I will assemble these, you will know how the bouquet will look like. Till then, keep watching. Okay, so I thought that I'm gonna record the whole process, but I guess I'm not, because I don't have that much time. I have to deliver this bouquet. I'm just gonna assemble it, and when I'll assemble it, I will show you guys. Maybe in the next vlog I will show you how to like organize a bouquet and wrap it, but this time I will show you the ready bouquet in the next clip. Stay tuned. Okay, so step 1 is done. It's organized, and now I'm gonna pack it, and then I will show you how it will look like after packaging. Okay, so here I have completed my bouquet, and now I'm going to show you. Okay, my beautiful crocheter family, so this was it. My bouquet is completed, and it was my little effort to connect with you guys. If you want to watch more from my orders, and if you want to watch more vlogs, just comment below, let me know. I will keep posting, and please keep watching. I'll see you in the next video. Take care.